What's up, guys? Hope you're having a good day. Sorry I'm a little late getting this video up. Had some technical difficulties this morning, but we're on track now. So today what we're going to have you do, obviously you've used Incredibox before. Today I'm going to have you complete at least a 1 to 3 minute video where you are dropping the beats. Okay, so you have 4 options to pick from in the free version across the top. All right, and so today what I'm going to have you do is create a version of your beats, and I'm going to show you how to do that now. Okay, now that we got it pulled up, going to pop my hood up, and DJ Swish is in the house now, so we're going to drop those beats. Now, in order to do that, first thing you need to do to record it, once you figure out something you like, is click the button up here and go record. Remember, we're shooting for at least 1 minute. Here we go. Alright, so we're trying to work it up to around a minute, just to shorten up the video. Alright, so I've got my beat the way I want it. And then I'm going to come up here and hit the record button again. It's going to ask me to save it. I can click save. Alright, now you can put in your name. I'm DJ Swish, your mix title, Baller, or whatever you want to call it, and who you dedicate it to. Little EMS students. And bam, there you go. You'll click the check mark. Once you click the check mark, then you can hit share and click my links. Now that's going to copy the link, all right, and you can take that link and upload it into your Google Classroom by going to classwork. I've got a section set up right here for COVID-19 turn-in area, so you'll click there as usual. You will go to view assignment. In the upper right hand corner, yours is going to look a little different than mine, and you can add a link, okay, and you'll take that link, copy and paste it, and upload it there. Okay, I hope you guys have a great day. Enjoy.